Today we're going to use Google Drawings, and we're going to be using shapes to create a minion. First I want to explain what Google Drawings is. With Google Drawing you can easily create, share, and edit drawings online. Edit drawings online in real time with anyone you choose. Insert text, shapes, arrows, scribbles, and images from your hard drive or from the web. Lay out drawings precisely with alignment guides, snap to grid, and auto distribution. Insert drawings into other Google documents, spreadsheets, or presentations. I just wanted to let you know some of the things Google Drawings can do, although we're not using all of these features today. In the future you might end up needing Google Draw. It might fit with what you're doing. To access Google Drawing, you can click on your drive and then click New. And then you will click Google Drawings. So you see it right here, Google Drawings. I can also send you a link for that too. For the Minion pictures in Google Drawings, there are instructions to show how to make the Minion characters using shapes in Google Drive Drawings. Access the shapes here where it says shapes on the top of your Google Drawings screen, and then you can make the Minion character. It is important to know how to rotate shapes once you add it to your page. The following slide will show you how to rotate shapes. So you just grab the blue dot and you turn it back and forth. That will rotate your shape. To undo, you could simply hold Control and hit Z, or you can click this back arrow. So that's if you drew something that you didn't like and you wanted to redo it, you just click this arrow or Control and Z. Now for the body, you're going to click Insert on the top, Shape, and then when you click on the shapes, you're going to find this one right here, but then you're going to have to rotate it. So how we were saying how to rotate it, so it almost looks like a square merged with a circle or a capital D. So then you'll insert the shape. That's for the body of the minion. Next you're going to do the same thing. You'll be in Insert, Shape, go to Shapes, click on the circle, and then you'll put that on the minion's body. To make it where your circles are the exact size, you can click on this, have it highlighted where you can see the blue around it, and then just copy and paste that same circle. Then you'll have the same size for your eyes. This shows you here how to do it. So if you have it highlighted, this is what I was talking about. Click copy, and then click paste, and then you'll have your next eye. Next, line weight. This is what creates more of a thickness or a thinness with your line. So you will click on this. It's a whole bunch of lines. You see a really fat line, a medium line, a skinny line. Click on the 12, and you'll notice what that does, how that changes the line. And you'll do that to both of these circles. After that, you're going to repeat the process what you did here, only with a smaller circle for the middle of the eye. So again, you're going to Shapes, Circle, and you will put that in there. Fill color. So to make the middle part of the eye, to color it, you can click on the color. You can do whatever color you want. This shows a brown in here, and that's for your small circle that's in the bottom here. And again, you can copy and paste that, just so you don't have to redo it. So you would hit copy and then paste, or Control C and Control V also works. For the body, you're gonna click, make sure you have the body selected, so you click right here on this first shape that we did, and then click on this yellow color here and choose, or you can choose a different yellow if you prefer. For the mouth, so for the mouth, again, you're going to go to shapes, and then you can pick what you want. This is what the one looks like in here. Remember, you can always rotate and turn things around. So this one, it's the same shape that we use for the body, and it's just shrunk down. And remember, you can spin it around with this right here, that blue dot that's sticking out. That'll help you to rotate. So to make the overalls, or like the pants, you again will pick that same shape that looks like a capital D, and you will spin it around and line it up. You'll change the size of it so it fits the minion. You don't want it overlapping where it goes outside. You want it to be the same size. So next you're taking, again, you're going to shapes. You're going to select the rectangle and you will put that on there. To add the colors to these, just remember that you'll have to fill the colors. So to fill the colors, if you forget how to do it, it's right here. So this paint bucket here, and then you select the color you want. So for those overalls, we're like a blue. Just make sure whatever you want to color, you click on it and it is blue around it, so it's selected. Okay. Let me get back to where we were here. Okay, so again, rectangle shapes. And you're using a few different, let me get the overall straps, we missed that one. So rectangle, this one's a little bit skinnier. Again, you're going to select the shape. You have to change the size of it. So you're picking the corners. You're going to grab the blue corners and make it smaller, and then just turn it. And again, if you want, instead of doing this twice, you can copy and paste and move it over. For the legs, again, after you create the first shape, you can copy and paste it. So you'll select the rectangle, put it down here at the bottom to create these legs, and you can do one and then copy and paste it. Don't forget to fill it. You will click on that paint bucket to get that same color again. Okay, now for the feet, you'll use an oval shape. So again, you're going to select your shapes, and you can copy and paste this again. You can fill it in black, so you're clicking the paint bucket to fill it. So for the feet, you also are going to have to change the order. So to do that, and what I mean, if you look here, you can see the feet are behind the leg, and we want it to be in front. So you will right click on it, on the image, or just click on the image, and it should say order, and you want to click send backwards. And you're going to do that to both of the feet. Remember, you can copy and paste your feet. Don't forget to fill it in with the paint color. So now for the arms. The arms, we're going to use this top shape here. Looks like a square rectangle. And again, you can copy and paste. Don't forget to fill it in. You can mess with the sizes. Fill it in with the paint color by using the paint bucket. Use that blue dot that sticks out to rotate your arms. Fingers. So for the fingers, we are actually using a heart. Again, to rotate it, you are grabbing right here, and don't forget to fill in the color. For the thumb, you are using this shape right here, kind of hard to see, but this one right here. And again, you can copy and paste it, and you can see it, and don't forget to fill in the color. And you can see that here. And then for the goggles for the sides, you're grabbing the square rectangle shape right here. You're going to put that on each side. Again, you can copy and paste. Don't forget to fill in the color. Teeth. So for teeth, again, you're using that same shape. Top left corner here, you're clicking on shapes. You're going to go there. Don't forget to change the fill color. And you can just copy and paste the teeth too, so you can just copy and paste over and over again, okay? Buttons and patches. So see how these little circles right here and this little pocket patch, these are ovals again, and you'll fill in the circles. And here we have a rectangle shape. So when you're done, your minion should look something like this. You can experiment and create more if you want. Don't forget to take a picture of this and put that into Seesaw, okay? You can just save it by going to File and Save, and you can put it into Seesaw. I hope you have fun. If you have any questions, please let me know.